Well, a beautiful mid-October day here in West Michigan, and we're going to be heading more toward late August weather here as we head into the weekend. 13 WEATHERBALL is red, warmer, hazier, more humid weather ahead actually for Saturday. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. How are the temperatures today? Our average is 63. We exceeded that just about everywhere with the exception up in Ludington. 67 here in Grand Rapids. That came within 1 degree of our forecast high. 4 days in a row within 3 degrees, and we've only had 2 misses in the past month. This evening, we're going to fall from the 60s down into the low 40s. Another chilly night. Lots of clear skies, but some haze moving in late tonight. A lot of hazy conditions here tomorrow as we hit the mid 70s. Look at those south winds. They're going to be picking up to around 18 miles per hour or so here in West Michigan. Traveling about the state on a weekend getaway up north, there's going to be some rain showers on your Friday in Marquette, cooling off into the 40s Saturday with a wind off of Lake Superior and 50s on Sunday. Elsewhere across the state, 60s over the weekend in Traverse City and 70s in Detroit until Sunday, and further south you're going to see 70s all weekend long after an 82 in Chicago here during the day tomorrow. Upper level winds are what drives the weather patterns, and again they have relaxed a little bit. They're now going to be coming out of the west and southwest into the early part of the weekend, but early next week we're going to start to see a cool down. We're going to be in the 60s for a while because the winds are still going to be west and southwest, and then I think we're going to cool off significantly as we head toward the next weekend with, again, highs mainly in the 50s. So we have 1 week where it's cloudy and wet and just very chilly, and then this week very nice, lots of sunshine, dry weather. I think next weekend and the following week we may be heading back to that first kind of weather the first week of October. Tomorrow though, partly sunny skies, hazy conditions will prevail. 70 Ludington, 72 Hart, 74 with that wind coming in off the lake there in Muskegon. There's going to be a lot of high waves with those south winds at 15 to 20 and gusting to 40. 77 in South Haven and Holland because you're not going to be in the shadow of the lake. Up north, hazy sunshine as well. Highs between about 73 and 74. You'll just be breezy here with those 15 to 20 mile per hour winds. Maybe not quite so breezy here in the greater Grand Rapids area, but we'll have some of the warmer readings. 77 here in Grand Rapids. It's going to be as warm as 79 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. The average high is 63 and will be better than that for the next several days, perhaps until the following Friday. Should be a very warm evening for Friday night high school football, and humid on Saturday as dew points climb into the 60s. As Delta comes up from the Gulf, we may see a little bit of moisture from that, but it will be mainly a cold front, bringing some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm late Monday into Monday night. But that clears on out, opens the door for the cooler weather, really cool weather the following weekend, maybe some rain by that following Sunday.